Easy bread, no kneading, no pan. Just mix and it's ready. In a bowl, start by adding a 10-gram packet of bread yeast. Next, add warm milk. I used 240 milliliters. Mix well. Then add half a cup of oil. Now crack an egg. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sugar and mix again. Add 350 g flour gradually, mixing as you go. Set aside. Cut the top off a milk carton, line with foil. Add all the dough or split it into two if you prefer. Spread evenly, cover, let rise 30 minutes until doubled. After rising, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35–40 minutes. Look how amazing this bread turned out. Remove the foil, take it out, and enjoy. I hope you liked it. Another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time and thanks.